to one and all present here. Every beautiful soul in this hall is here for one purposeful cause. In this Corona times, as we all know, the richest of rich and a very innovative thought. Because it's not just a store to help the poor in the need, but it is also to give them a confidence by lending hand and to show that we are all one. We will always be there for them, not only by supporting them with only clothes, but also to give them an education and help them in every way possible. I really appreciate the team who had worked so fantastically and to make this as a reality.
Guest of honor, Sri Shrikant, Senior Star, Ms. Komal, Mr. Manish Chaudhary, Mr. Mayur, Mr. Suresh, all the office leaders of RCC Foundation, ladies and gentlemen, good morning to all of you. Kale Vanakkam, Namaste. Smile says it all. Smile is the best ornament, and smile is infectious. All of us know all these things. We have been reading and listening all these things. But still, smile is scarce. Still, there are people in this world who don't have smiles on their faces. Still, there are very few people like RCC Foundation who take upon themselves to spread this smile. I appreciate the efforts of RCC Foundation for this wonderful gesture in opening the Smile Store with an objective to bring smiles on the faces of the underprivileged people. When I was Commissioner of Police Madurai, we had a concept of happy wall. So the concept was that whatever you have extra, clothes, books or anything, you can leave at a particular place which was like an open cupboard. This Smile Store is a much improvised concept of the happy wall. Here it is being done in style. It is providing much more dignity to the people who will be availing the benefits of this Smile Store. As far as today's day is concerned, I think organizers have selected 3 of us very carefully. As far as I am concerned, we are in the business of ensuring safety and security for the people of Chennai. Unless there is a sense of security, there cannot be any smile. And in last 2 months, that has been my primary objective, to bring smile on the faces. All the initiatives which we have taken, whether video call grievance facility in the times of Corona when people can't come to Commissioner's office, decentralization of cyber crime wings, arranging admission for the police wards, providing scholarships to the wards of deceased police personnel, and the latest, returning around 1200 mobile phones which were misplaced by the people from Chennai. The objective was only one, to bring smiles. So I am really happy to be associated this another project of mine. As far as other guests of honors are concerned, we all know that popular actor Shrikant and Komal, definitely they are in the business of bringing smiles, bringing happiness by their talent, by their acting. All of us enjoy movies and they bring us happiness. I am sure with the sincerity and dedication of this foundation will be able to achieve its objective of opening 4 more stores and bring many more smiles. Thank you.